kisah menyentuh hati datang dari seorang wisatawan asing yang tengah berada di Indonesia. Ia membagikan pengalaman tak terlupakan ketika sedang menjalani masa sulit dalam hidupnya dan justru menemukan kasih serta kepedulian murni dari seorang warga lokal di sebuah pulau kecil di Lombok. Wisatawan berusia 31 tahun itu datang ke Indonesia di tengah kondisi pribadi yang penuh gejolak. Ia baru saja melalui perceraian yang berat dan menderita depresi mendalam. Dengan harapan menemukan ketenangan batin, ia memutuskan untuk mengasingkan diri selama 10 hari dalam keheningan total di sebuah pulau nelayan kecil yang sederhana. Pulau itu dikenal sangat sederhana, di mana masyarakat hidup dari hasil laut harian. Apa yang mereka tangkap di laut, itulah yang mereka makan malam itu, ujarnya. Awalnya ia berniat menghabiskan hari-hari dengan berjalan mengelilingi pulau kecil tersebut tanpa berbicara dengan siapapun. Di perjalanan itu, ia kerap bertemu seorang perempuan muslim setempat. Mereka tidak pernah bercakap-cakap, hanya saling menyapa dengan gestur sederhana, meletakkan tangan di dada sambil tersenyum. Namun, di tengah pencarian kedamaian, ia justru jatuh sakit parah akibat keracunan makanan. Kondisi tubuhnya melemah, dehidrasi, dan ia sempat mengira terkena malaria. Terjebak sendirian di gubuk sederhana di tepi pantai, ia merasa panik dan tak berdaya. Di saat itulah perempuan yang biasa menyapanya setiap hari sadar bahwa ia tak lagi terlihat berjalan. Ia pun mendatangi gubuk tempat bule itu tinggal, mengetuk pintu, dan menemukan sang wisatawan dalam keadaan lemah. Tanpa banyak kata, perempuan itu kembali 1 jam kemudian membawa air bersih dan makanan segar. Bule tersebut tak kuasa menahan tangis dan jatuh dalam pelukan sang perempuan yang dengan lembut menenangkannya. Saya hanya bisa menangis dalam pelukannya. Di momen itu saya benar-benar merasakan kasih yang tulus tanpa syarat, kenangnya dengan suara bergetar.
In this tiny little very poor fishing island off of Lombok in Indonesia, and she held me in her arms like I was her child, and just
So describe a moment when you experienced true and pure grace and you knew it.
I was in Indonesia. I was going through my horrible divorce. I was 31. I was in a terrible depression. I took myself to this tiny little island and decided I needed to spend 10 days in silence to try to have a truth and reconciliation hearing with myself because I was so full of shame and pain. I decided I wouldn't speak, not a word, for 10 days, and I didn't know anybody. I went and got a hut on a beach in this tiny little very poor fishing island off of Lombok in Indonesia. And I got terribly, terribly sick with food poisoning. My plan was to walk around the island every day because it was a tiny little island. And there was this one woman, this Muslim woman. I mean, when I say this island was poor, I mean what these people fished that day is what they ate for dinner that night. On the other side of this island used to see me walking, and she would put her hand on her heart and smile at me when I walked by, and I would do the same to her. And then I got really sick, and I was stuck in my cabin, dehydrated, terrified. I actually thought I had malaria, and far away from anyone who knew me. And this woman came and found me. Something in her knew that I wasn't well. She'd seen me, and she knew I wasn't doing well anyway. But when she didn't see me on my daily walk, she came and knocked on my door and saw the condition that I was in and went like this and came back an hour later with fresh food and fresh water for me. And I just started crying in her arms, and she held me in her arms like I was her child and just rocked me and took care of me.
Did you even know her name?
Didn't know her name, still don't. By the way, she is my face of Islam. Whenever, whatever conversation in the world is ever happening about Islam, she is my face of Islam. That woman who went across an island, knocked on every door in this little row of cabins till she found the person who she knew was suffering and came and took care of me.
Oh my God.
That was the most grace I have ever received in my entire life because she had no relationship with me whatsoever, owed me nothing. This is truly God working through somebody's kindness.
Wow.
Kisah ini menggambarkan betapa nilai kemanusiaan bisa melampaui perbedaan bahasa, budaya, maupun agama. Di tengah keterbatasan materi, masyarakat pulau kecil itu mampu menunjukkan rasa empati dan solidaritas yang begitu dalam. Momen tersebut menjadi pengalaman transformatif bagi sang wisatawan asing yang menyebutnya sebagai salah satu titik balik dalam hidupnya. Itulah momen ketika ia benar-benar merasakan anugerah sejati,